NASCAR Paper reviews, which I said I was doing. And we're here with the more colourful cars, thankfully. We're starting off reviewing Ryan Newman's 31 Caterpillar Chevrolet, 360 of it. Number 31 for the RCR racing, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong with these, please, people. Don't look like a complete idiot. Anyway, I like it. Obviously, I like it because it's got more colour. The colour scheme actually fits. You know, yellow and black always obviously fit together. And obviously, it's just company sponsors colour as well. This was used with tape for the floor. Yeah. Next car, Jamie McMurray's number 1 McDonald's Chevrolet, used with entirely out of blue tack sticking together. Anyway, this obviously it's red, yellow and black, because McDonald's colours obviously. Number 1, part of the Ganassi racing, had to think then. 360 of it. Yeah, this one was drawn out and all used with blue tack, sticking front, floor, back, sides to the roof, all used with blue tack, and it was drawn out because windows were white design, not with little design thingies, black wing, and that is meant to say McDonald's. I tried to make that say McDonald's, but as you can see, it failed miserably. Oh god. Anyway, next car, you've probably already seen it when I was reviewing that one. This one hasn't got a floor yet. I tried to cut a floor out with the side of it. It's not got a floor yet. It is Jeff Gordon's Darlington throwback Rainbow Warrior scheme. Obviously, but it says Santa instead. Probably the most colourful car ever. Am I right saying? Obviously, we all know who he races for, and yada yada yada, so no need to point out that exactly. That's meant to say Exalta, so's that. That's the Exalta logo. Yeah, I think I lined up the stripes with the bonnet on the side. Not too badly. I did do some good line-ups, especially on the back. On the front, didn't do them that well, but oh well. Better to try and fail than not try at all, as Big Bass said. Yeah, I'm gonna make a floor for this car shortly, very soon, and then it'll just be as solid as the rest. Final car, Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s Mountain Dew, and it says Xbox there, and there, well that's the logo. It says Mountain Dew there with National Guard, and National Guard there. Number 88, used tape, no point in me saying who he races for, because he races for Hendrick Motorsports, exactly the same team as Jeff Gordon, believe it or not. Obviously Chevrolet 360 of it. Yeah, I used this because it was all green, and I thought it would have been easy because it's all green, and it actually was surprisingly hard, because sponsor different colour, the rear wing and the back had to get the right colour. All of the usual is a black pen, but obviously that's what you got. But anyway, I like this car, just like I like all of these. And I like this one. It's also drawn again, with no details in the window or anything. And that's the video for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next